So today, did you saw the text behind me? Today we're going to learn how to do it in Davinci Resolve, so let's jump in and get started. So we're going to work with this clip here, and first thing that we need to do, we need to duplicate it. For that, select the clip and hold Alt and drag it to the track above. With this clip selected, go to the color tab, and in here where all the magic is going to happen. So we need to have alpha output. For that, right click and click on add alpha output. Connect your node to the alpha output like so. And next thing that we need to do, we need to go to the magic mask, and in here you can see two options for the quality, faster and better. We're going to select better. And now we're going to select our subject. Something like so should do the trick. If you select something wrong, hold Alt, so you will have the qualifier with minus sign, and you can deselect stuff. So you can see I deselected my hand, but I don't need it. And everything that is red is going to be tracked. So basically what we need to do now is we need to click on track back and forward and wait till Davinci analyze everything. So now that it is done, we need to go back to the edit page and we need to drag this to the track above. So basically we need to sandwich our text in between our two layers. So if we're going to turn this off, so you can see that there's only me and this is our background. And let's just drag a text in here. Let's cut it to match our clip length. And you can see that the text is behind me. And what we can do is we can change the color of the text, change the size. Let's type something. Okay. And we can also move this. For example, I want this to be above. Okay. And also you can change the font size and the font itself. Let's go to something like this. Let's decrease the size, and boom, there we have it. And if we're going to let's just move this a bit more like so. And if we're now going to play this back, you can see that the text is perfectly behind our subject. Woohoo! Now you know how to place a text behind your subject in Davinci Resolve. Another trick in your sleeve that you can use. So this is it for this tutorial. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, stay awesome!